Consider yourself as your own child. Raise yourself like a child. Take care of yourself. Don't go to someone else to raise you. Change your diaper. Don't do all this, okay? Let yourself take decisions. Take the big decisions of your life yourself. Any decision has to be taken, and when you feel stuck, don't run to some stupid and retarded person. See with a pen and paper, analyze your present, your past, and write down that situation. And then see what will happen to you if you move forward in that situation, and what will happen if you don't move forward. What directions do you have other than that? Write all these things down. See with yourself. Spend time. Talk to yourself. Allow your child to do what is right for him. Do it. But if you have to think that no, I cannot see my child doing this, then don't do it. Explore something else. Study something else. Develop new skills. Start another startup. Do some other job or do something else. Whatever you want to do in your life. Why do we give this right to others? Don't give so much right to others that complete control of your life goes in their hands, because they take every decision of your life. So don't do this. Don't run your life depending on others. Otherwise, you yourself will be the reason for your destruction. Whatever decisions you took in the past, knowingly or unknowingly, whether it was the decision to do something or not to do something, the decision to work hard for your goal, or the decision to watch reels on your phone for hours, whatever decision you took, your current situation is based on that. And whatever decision you take in the present, your future situation will be based on that, and you will live that kind of life. If you want to live a great life in the future, then take that decision today and start working. And if you want the same kind of life in the future as you have now, then just keep watching reels all day. The phone's battery will run out, then put it on charge and wait for the battery to get full. After that, start watching reels again. Keep wasting day after day like this. There is no effort in this. Analyze your past decisions and actions. You cannot change the past by going into the past. You can only learn from it, and neither you can create something in the future. You can only make plans about it. But if it is a matter about taking action, then you can do it right now. That is in the present. So today, take a decision on your own about how your future will be and take action on it. If you don't learn to take decisions on your own now, then later on in life, there will be many such situations where no one will be with you. You will be alone and you will have to take an important decision. Then what will you do? You will panic. Either you will take the wrong decision or you will not take it at all. Due to which either a big opportunity will go out of your hands or you will suffer a big loss. If you give control of your life to others, then you will become a puppet in their hands. You will do whatever they want. Their thoughts, their wishes will become your reality. You will lose your own existence, and when one day you understand this, it will be too late. So learn to take decisions of your life on your own. Look at yourself from the point of view of a child, and you will be able to take the right decision.